Hello friends, welcome again. In this video, I am going to explain class 7 chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. Let's start. As we see, the temperature of different days are different and the humidity, wind flow and the moisture moon is, sunset and sunrise is also the different type in different days. The news reporter also tells about the weather, as in newspaper we see the weather report is also given as the maximum temperature, the minimum temperature, sunset, sunrise, moonset, moonrise, and moisture, fog, etc. Different are explained or mentioned in weather report. So these different factors are called the elements of the weather, which are different in different day or in different time of day is different. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc., which are the elements of the weather, is called the weather at that place. The weather report are prepared by a particular department is called meteorological department. This is a department of government. This department collects data on temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. Weather has a profound effect on our lives. Many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted for that day. As we see, the television and the radio and the newspaper also reported the weather report. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. It is basically measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. So, the weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short period of time. There are special thermometers for this purpose. To take temperature of the day is called maximum and minimum thermometer. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning. All the changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The earth rotates in its own axis and revolutes around the sun. The sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. The distance of the sun from us is very large. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth causes changes in the surface weather. Ocean and the atmosphere play important roles in determining the weather at any place. If we live near the sea, we would have realized that the weather at that place is different from that of the place in the desert or near a mountain. So the weather is also dependent on the surroundings, as we live near the ocean, as we live in hill station also. Now come to the climate. Meteorologists record the weather every day. So the average weather pattern taken over a long time, say as in 25 years, is called the climate of the place. जब लंबे समय तक कोई एक जैसा मौसम रहता है, वेदर रहता है, तो उसे हम क्लाइमेट कहते हैं. जैसे कि as in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, there are mainly the all over cold in over the year, so their climate is cold, while in Trivandrum, Kerala, there is mainly the temperature raised and humidity also raised, so their temperature is high all over the year. So Kerala is very hot and wet in comparison to the Jammu and Kashmir, which has a moderately hot and wet climate for a part of the year. As in western region of India, in Rajasthan, will show that the temperature is high during the most part of the year, but during winter, which lasts only for a few months, the temperature is quite low. So the tropical desert climate is hot and dry. The northeastern India receives rain for a major part of the year. Therefore, we can say that the climate of northeast is wet. Now come to the point climate and adaptations. The animals adapt their have their adaptations according to the climate. Animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surrounding are a result of the process of evolution. Evolution के थ्रू ही किसी भी क्लाइमेट में रहने के लिए adaptations require होती हैं, adapt होती हैं. First, we will discuss about the animals adaptation lives in the polar region. The polar region present an extreme climate. These regions are covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. For 6 months, the sun does not set and at the poles, while for the other 6 months, the sun does not rise. कभी कभी यहाँ टेम्परेचर जो है मेनली 0 से -37 डिग्री तक कम हो जाता है और यहाँ 6 महीने तक सूर्योदय नहीं होता, सूरज नहीं है, सन नहीं आता और 6 मंथ तक सनसेट नहीं होता है. वहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है पोलर रीजन्स में. यू हैव हियर अबाउट पोलर बियर्स. पोलर बियर्स के बारे में आपने सुना होगा. पेंगुइन्स आर ऑल्सो लिव्स इन पोलर रीजन्स. सो फर्स्ट we discuss adaptations of polar bear. as we say that the polar regions are mainly covered by snow. So polar bear वहाँ जो रहते हैं they have white fur by which they are not easily visible in the snow in white background. इससे क्या होता है, इट्स प्रीडेटर्स, इनके जो इसके शिकारी होते हैं, दुश्मन होते हैं, एनिमीज होते हैं, एंड प्रे आर अनेबल टू सी इट. इट हैज 2 थिक लेयर्स ऑफ फर. इसमें 2 थिक लेयर, फर की मोटी लेयर होती है, विच कीप इट वार्म इन कोल्ड वेदर. पोलर रीजन में बहुत ठंड होती है, अब ये थिक लेयर ऑफ फर keeps it warm, and it has a layer of fat under its skin. स्किन के ऊपर फैट की मोटी लेयर होती है. इससे क्या होता है, द फैट insulates its body for cold and keeps it warm. इससे इसकी बॉडी को गर्म रहती है. and other, it has long curved and sharp claws. claws इसके जो होते हैं लंबे और शार्प होते हैं, जिससे कि दीज हेल्प टू वॉक ऑन आइस. आइस में इसको चलने में इससे आसानी होती है. नेक्स्ट, इट हैज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. स्मेल जो होती है, इनकी सेंस ऑफ स्मेल इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत अच्छी होती है. बाय इट दे द बियर टू लोकेट एंड कैच इट्स प्रे. इससे ये प्रे आसानी से पकड़ लेते हैं. दीज आर पेंगुइन्स. पेंगुइन्स आर ऑल्सो, पेंगुइन इज ऑल्सो वाइट इन कलर. इट्स फर एंड मर्जेस वेल विद द वाइट बैकग्राउंड. ये भी वाइट होते हैं, जो कि वाइट बैकग्राउंड स्नो में आसानी से नहीं दिखते हैं. इट हैज अ थिक स्किन एंड a lot of fat to protect it from cold. कोल्ड से बचाने के लिए मोटी स्किन होती है और a lot of fat होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा फैट होता है. These are, ये झुंड में रहते हैं अपने. penguins huddled together, बहुत सारे झुंड में रहते हैं ये. So these are also adapted towards polar region. The other region is the tropical rainforest. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. ये equator के पास होते हैं. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summer, the temperature is about 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. The major types of animals living in the rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds and insects. Many animals are adapted to living on the trees. Red-eyed frog has developed sticky pad on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. फ्रॉग होते हैं जो यहाँ रहते हैं, उनके पैर के क्लॉज जो होते हैं वो चिपचिपे होते हैं, जिससे कि उनको पेड़ में चरने में आसानी होती है. As there is competition for food, a striking example of it is toucan bird, which possesses a long large beak. लंबी बीक होती है, जिससे कि ये अपने फूड तक एज फ्रूट्स अदर आसानी तक से पहुंच जाए. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. This is to protect them from predators. The lion-tailed macaque has the silver-white mane which surrounds its head from the cheeks down to its chin. It is a good climber and spends a major part of its life on the tree. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant. It has a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth which can tear and break off trees that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ears of the elephant helps it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So, in this way, we see or we discuss about the different adaptations of animals living in polar region and the tropical forest. So that's all for today. I will come with my next video with the exercise of this chapter. So thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.